Hi, it's Sergio with True Grit Roof Company. We completed a roofing project yesterday, and today we're gonna get some feedback. Come along.
I had a couple shingles loose on my roof. The insurance inspector came out, said I qualified for a roof replacement. Well, she's seen me around several different places, but she's done a job for two of my sons, and they were satisfied. I thought, well, just keep on using True Grit. Constant contact, keep me informed. Well, it was probably communication and delivery time. Very pleasant, very easy working with. I'd say we got it done in 1 day's time. They cleaned everything up very nicely. Very good people to work with and easy to work with, so I would recommend them in a heartbeat. Very good